was a guy in the family when I was working in investigation, and the boss of the family whacked the guy out the night at dinner because the guy down the end of the table and his crew kept sneezing all night. I can't have it. I can't. What's he doing? I can't. What's with this? Yeah, he's got he's not sick. He's got allergies. He said I can't have it. I can't. It's a bad look. It makes me look bad. Look at him down there. And by that night, he decided, almost like a scene out of like a Goodfellas or something, right? Like it happens that fast. And I can't have it. I can't have it. He's got to go.